Today we will be reviewing the Delonghi Eletta Cappuccino. On first impressions, this automatic coffee machine is super sleek looking, making it ideal for modern kitchen spaces. The display panel is quite simple, with not too much detail, but it gets the job done perfectly fine. There are options for longer or shorter drinks, single shots and a variety of different milk-based coffees. The water tank is fairly easy to remove, refill and replace, and it fits a generous 2 litres of water inside, which is indicated by a max fill line. The Eletta Cappuccino comes with a water spout, which can easily be changed with the milk carafe depending on what kind of drink you'd like. To turn on the machine, simply press the power on button. If the water tank is empty, you will be prompted to fill the tank via a message on the display panel. Once the tank has been removed, the machine will also show a display message to reinsert the tank. Filling the tank couldn't be easier. Simply fill with water, making sure not to exceed the max fill line. You can then simply slide the tank back into the machine. The machine will now start to heat up, which is on the slightly noisy side, but it doesn't take too long. It will then proceed to rinse, which will drip into the drip tray below. When setting up the machine, you can adjust the height of the coffee spout, which is ideal if you like to have different size coffees like cappuccinos, espressos and lattes. This machine features its own integrated bean grinder with a grinder adjustment dial, allowing you to have fresh tasting coffee however you like it. You can also use your own pre-ground coffee if you prefer. To start making milk-based coffees, switch out the water spout for the milk carafe and fill up with your milk of choice. Using the display panel, you can choose your desired coffee strength, the type of coffee you want and how long you want it. It also has some nice additional features like extra shots and extra milk. The milk carafe features a dial for how much or how little froth you want on your coffee, as well as an option to clean the froth spout with hot water. Once you have chosen your drink options and pressed OK, it does take a few moments to start brewing since the machine needs to heat the milk and grind the coffee beans. Switching out the milk carafe back to the spout allows you to just use hot water, which is ideal for teas or simply adding extra water to coffees. Once you finish making your coffee, the machine will prompt you to turn the dial on the milk carafe to clean, which will just run hot water out of the spout. This can be slightly temperamental and the machine is likely to drip while cleaning, which can be messy. It does also produce a lot of steam, which does leave annoying streaks on the machine. However, they can be easily cleaned away.